Let's go ahead and open our eggs. Today, we have Blaze and AJ who's gonna help us. Which one first?
Orange one!
We'll start with the orange egg. What do you think is inside this orange egg?
I don't know. I'm excited though.
We have Donald Duck candy. An orange bouncy ball. And Disney Cars stickers.
I love cars.
Let's open the green egg.
AJ, this is too exciting. What do you think is inside? We'll see.
With Donald Duck candy.
You're right, it is candy.
A blue smile ring.
Can you guess what kind of stickers are in the green egg? Yeah, I think you're right. They are Minnie Mouse stickers. Great job, you guys.
Right, AJ, Minnie Mouse stickers.
Ooh, the green one.
We'll open the green egg.
Can you guess what's inside?
Again, Donald Duck candy.
Great guess.
A pink ring.
Ooh.
Disney Princess stickers.
That's a lot of stickers.
Let's open the purple egg.
It's Starla's favorite color.
We have Donald Duck candy. And a little blue finger toy.
Hey AJ, are you guys having fun here? We sure are. We're enjoying this very much.
A whole lot of Disney car stickers. Let's open the yellow egg. Look, it's candy. An orange bouncy ball. And bubble guppy stickers.
Let's try the pink egg. Can you say pink egg? Yes, I think it's candy, I bet. Can you say candy? Yeah, I think it is candy. Yep, it is.
It's Donald Duck candy.
Woo!
It's a purple top. Let's spin this top.
That top was pretty cool, AJ.
We have the princess stickers. We have Cinderella, Ariel, and Aurora.
Can you choose the red egg? That's my favorite color.
Let's open the small red egg.
What do you think it's inside? You're right.
We have Donald Duck candy, a green smile ring, and Disney car stickers.
I love cars.
Let's open the blue egg. Again, Donald Duck candy, a red smile ring, and Disney princess stickers.
Hey, we're just down to 2 eggs. Yeah. Wow. Down to 2.
Let's open the green egg. Yes, it's candy. A blue shark.
Woo!
And Mickey Mouse stickers.
It looks like we're down to the last eggs. Oh, I hope you'll have us again next time. This was really fun.
Down to the last blue egg. Looks like Donald Duck candy. A green frog. Let's make him jump. And Minnie Mouse stickers. Thanks, AJ and Blaze.
Thanks for having us over. We really enjoyed opening the eggs. We hope you'll have us here again next time. But until then, we'll see you then. Come on, Ryder.